very hot. I usually really do like hot coffee though. It's like burning hot. I just thought about making a video of all of my favorite ASMR noises. I've talked about it before, but like my channel isn't ASMR, and I have so many random things, like I just don't want to keep making it more random. But at the same time, like I think it would be an interesting video. Like I love right? And the sound of coffee pouring. Just got back from a work meeting. It was so early. Oh my gosh, do you hear? It was so early. It was freaking, I had to get up at 6:45. To me, that's like disgusting. This weather. It's wretched. Do you hear it? It sounds very peaceful though. Not the wind, just the... So now I'm going to take a nappy. Because it's too early for me. I must get my rest. Okay. I have bags of clothes that I am going to Plato's Closet. I have not been there in so long. Gosh. So it's a store where you can sell used clothes and accessories, and they'll pay you or you get store credit, but I am getting that cash moolah. Because I'm decluttering everything, so... Okay, my phone, give me my phone. Take me there. Okay, so I will get back to you guys in a little bit.
Leisure is down. I read one study that said 37% since the 60s. Part of the reason for that, when economists tell the story, is that Americans chose more money over more time.
But you have the dignity to decide to change today. It's a moment when I show up, God, I'm saying wow.
In 1.1 miles, the destination is on your right, Plato's Closet.
I've arrived. It's right there. Well, that was annoying. I went in and they completely changed like the whole system. Oh my gosh, my hair. I haven't been there in years, so before like they had everything digital, they would just go through it by piece with you and be like, oh, we'll give you this for that, like. And now it's like you put your information in the screen. There's a whole screen of people ahead of you at the bins, and then they'll text you when they're ready. And I'm like, I'll just wait. But anyway, there were so many people ahead of me. It's Saturday. What did I expect? And it's going to be about like 40 minutes, and I have work. I'm cutting it close, so I don't know what I was thinking. Just drove a half hour for nothing. I gotta pee, so I'm gonna go into Dunkin' Donuts. Or should I go into Starbucks? What you looking at, woman? Look at this massive truck. Massive tires. You can't see it. Big, loud engine. So obnoxious, I can't. I'm just gonna go home. I gotta go home and go to Target. I have work, so. They were kind of rude in there too. Yeah, there's like people ahead of you, so you have to wait. It's gonna be about 30 minutes. It's gonna be about 40 minutes. Yeah, that means an hour. Not waiting. Gotta go.
I cannot say what I believe in. I finally believe in you.
Well, that wasn't a waste of my time. Yeah.
Heavenly Father, Lord, just thank you for this time. Thank you for this beautiful day. Yeah, so just so you guys know, I'm not just a golfer now. I'm just saying. That's the simple man. That's how old.
So today, what did I do today? Me and Danny watched church online. We straightened up a bit. We went grocery shopping. I cooked. We did devotions and a little mini Bible study and went over some things. And that's all I did today. Now I'm just planning out my month right here and doing some work on the computer and, you know, trying to get my life together. Did a little pampering in the shower. An oil treatment on my hair.
What are you doing?
My God. How delicious does that look? Looks like a cappuccino, but it ain't. But it ain't. Good morning, guys. I woke up in a weird mood, but now I'm better. It's Monday, and I'm gonna go back to Plato's Closet. This, cappuccino maker, latte, whatever, espresso, was definitely best investment. Even though I didn't buy it, it was a wedding gift from my sister. Still, so great. I feel like I keep filming me having coffee in the morning or laying in bed, but I will talk to you guys when I'm all ready. And here I am. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm here. So they basically go through the stuff and then they text you and then you go up and they tell you like the prices that they're all willing to pay. And you decide whether you want to keep it or not. So I'm just hanging out. You could leave if you want, they'll text you, but I'll try to leave. Yeah. That's annoying. No. Have not. No, I have not done anything of that.
But we just have a lot of dresses in our inventory, so we just can't take them at all. Okay. So if you are interested in like holding them and then just calling whenever. 76 cents. 20, 40, 41.
Thank you. Well, that was a lot quicker than expected. Don't go on a weekend. Not a good time to go. Did they give me the receipt? They did give me the receipt. So it was 41 something they gave me for, they didn't take like a lot of it, which I'm surprised because some of the stuff they didn't take was like nice, like Zara. Like a Zara fur, couple dresses. She said the dresses because they have too many in stock. And then, I don't even know what else. Like a lace top. I don't know. But whatever, 41 bucks. I'm at the mall. I have to run into Sephora to grab eyebrow pencil because I ran out and that's not gold. Don't you hate having to spend money on things that like are necessities and not like fun? I need a Zara in this mall. I don't have one. It's very annoying.
Oh, go ahead.
No, you're fine.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. Do you guys still shop at MAC? I feel like I haven't been in there in forever. Alright, going to Sephora. I don't know why I always forget what I get. I think I used to get dark brown, now I get medium brown. Cocoa Wood. I always want a new perfume when I come here. I haven't had a new perfume so long. I want to see if I can get a sample of the hand stuff again. So this is the stuff. So alright, I can't even look around because I'm just gonna want stuff, and I can't.
Yeah, I mean, for their
Water sleeping mask. Oh, I have this. Sweet. I think I have this. A sample. Yep. It's a lip mask. Alright, I'm really gonna go now. Yeah. So I have been listening to the Dave Ramsey show on podcast, and I honestly feel so stupid. I feel so stupid that I am just now like realizing how horrible. I mean, like, just my money, where does it go? What have I done, you know, like. Anyway, yeah, so now I'm all about saving money, wanting to pay off debt, when before I was just like, I don't care about debt, but, I mean, I care, but like, I really care now. I probably really can't necessarily focus on my debt right now until the baby comes, you know, and we're settled, because otherwise I'm just, you know, I need to save money for pregnancy leave, just the baby. Hi guys, I just wanted to end the vlog here. Oh, what did I want to say before I leave? So, I know I said I was going to do my nails, but it's Tuesday, and you normally do it Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday, and I haven't done it, so I think, I don't know, I'll either take these off and then do them next week, because I didn't self-tan or anything, and, you know, I have other things on my mind right now, so I'm not focused on that, but I promise I will do a video on these nails that I put on. Alright, see you guys in my next vlog, video, whatever.